Okay, thank you for joining me. I'm just doing my 15 minutes of coding. Let's do 10-minute timer and then 15-minute timer. 10-minute timer. Can I add another timer? Okay. Anyways, going. So I'm trying to do some coding. Share screen. Entire screen. Let's do that. So one of my goals, I hope, is to boost my coding skills for astronomy research. And one of the situations is that a lot of the data is online, astronomy data, and you need to grab it to put it into your program on your computer. So also another part of coding is GitHub, learning to use GitHub, using GitHub. So I'm trying a small project on a GitHub, but really the intent is for me to learn certain skills just based on my interest. So I'll just keep this here. I don't know if anybody's gonna join. We'll check from time to time. But I called it auto blurbs. So I'm not doing astronomy exactly, but it is all applicable to astronomy. So I opened auto blurbs program. This is what I called it. And what I want to do is to put some comments into my videos that I create on YouTube. I create a lot of short videos. So I'm working with ChatGPT, it's a free version. And it asked me to use, so I want to learn more about APIs. That's what I discovered I have to use. I have no idea exactly. I never used APIs. It was confusing. And ChatGPT is asking me to do command line Python, but I don't want it. I want to use Jupyter Notebook. It's really chatty. So this is my Anaconda. I launched to Jupyter. Now I have to I will do coding directory and make auto blurbs. Auto blurbs, if I can spell it myself. And then let's do one code. Okay. And then how do I so where but what is a network? just creating the version 1 user master. Okay. Ah, let's see if it did it. Now I can open it. Okay, this is my directory. Okay, this is my comment. So now I want to put it into the YouTube. Now I want to put this comment into the YouTube video. So let's start with just one specific video. Let's say, is anybody saying anything? No, nobody's saying nothing. Okay, good. Let's say it's this video. This video. Please. I don't know how to print a string command. This print command. I don't know how else. Let's do a string variable. Maybe I can. My comment is my comment. I'm trying to see if. Okay, so if I write type my comment and it tells me that it is a string, so then I can say print. Okay. 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 Now, how can I go into a specific YouTube video comments section? I was looking at these tutorials. My 10 minutes are over. 5 minutes timer. Mm, I should not use ChatGPT. It's too wordy for me. Okay, maybe I have to do something about APIs. Mm, maybe. I have to read this API stuff. Mm, Post the video, comment on YouTube. I don't wanna look at this. So yeah, already have done it. Of course, nothing is new in this world except my coffee. There's no coffee. Um, Python API tutorial. Import requests. Replace with the desired API endpoint. Okay. Response request that you're taking the request was successful. The URL is this. Request. So I need to assign URLs as I understand. Base URL gives you endpoints. Requests get base URL endpoints. So I need to study what is requests. Request is take data, title, description, some data. We will learn about how Python API is used to retrieve data from various sources. Also, we will cover all concepts related to Python API from basic to advanced. But it's required data for research. That is codes. Just example, API use with Python. Users of this. Maybe. Okay, I'll be reading for a while now about APIs and probably make my own one-page tutorial about example of using API with Python because I opened like 20 pages and they're very wordy and they tell you everything about API and their cousins, but there's no starter step, starting step. So I'll read this and then maybe I will write a blog article about it. Okay, God bless you. I'm done. That's my 15 minutes because I'm a busy mom. I wish I could sit for hours and days and learn, but I cannot. I have to do other things. Thank you for sitting with me, and God bless you and have a wonderful day. Good in everything you do today. I'm going to end the stream.